Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Impress. In this module, I want to show you how you can use a hyperlink to jump to a specific page in a writer document. So on the screen, I've got an example where I've got a hyperlink. When I click that, it goes to page 2 of this writer document. That's page 1, that's page 2. So how I've done this is in Writer, I'll just double click on my name there. I've created a bookmark. So you basically need to go Insert, Bookmarks, and then give it a name and then Add. Just click Insert and it will be in there. So you can see the one I've already done. I've named that. So when you close that down, that is named. Save this document and then I'll close it down. So I've just called this document Target. This document's called Target. So I'll close that off, come back to Impress, and then I'll just do this one. So I'm going up to the Insert tab again, clicking on Hyperlink. Now I'll make this box a bit wider so you can see it. So you select the path there. So I'm finding Target, which is that one. Now this bit there, where it says Target in Document, that's where you put the bookmark name. So Sax is what I called it. So that's what it is. Click OK to that. And then you need to save this document. So that'll save the link. So I'll save that document. And then when you click on that, it jumps to that hyperlink in Writer. So it's onto a specific page like that. If I go back into Impress and just show you what the hyperlink looks like when you've done that, if I right click on it and go into Edit Hyperlink, just widen this again. You can see that it's got the path there and a hashtag and then the bookmark name at the end there. So that's because of this sitting in there, and that's how it works with the hash and the bookmark. So without a bookmark, that's not happening. So you just do the link as normal and then type in there wherever the bookmark is. Now, if you want to do hyperlinks to specific pages in this document, you can do that as well. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video, is how you can hyperlink to a specific page. Just click OK to that. So thanks for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.